Good evening, dear kids. Today I am taking you exercise 5D, problem number 16, and it says 2x cube plus 54y cube minus 4x minus 12y. My dear kids, यहाँ से अगर हम लोग ने 2 कॉमन निकाला तो इनसाइड विल बी x क्यूब प्लस 27y क्यूब माइनस यहाँ से कॉमन 4 निकाला तो इनसाइड विल बी x प्लस 3y. If you notice this, we can open this as 2x the whole cube plus 3y the whole cube minus 4x plus 3y. You can use the identity which we have done in my previous video, that is first term plus second term in first bracket, in second bracket first term square minus first term into second term plus second term square minus 4x plus 3y. My dear kids, this is your one term, this is your other term. From this, can I take x plus 3y common? So x plus 3y is common. 2 तो उसके आगे रहेगा ही, and inside will be x square minus 3xy plus 9y square and minus here. My dear kids, if 2 here is taken common, so here will be 2 remaining. Okay, this 2 I have taken in all common. Clear? So this is your answer. Problem number 17, which says 1029 minus 3x cube. 1029, if I take 3 common from this and 2 terms, so I'll get inside the bracket, that is 343 minus x cube. Now 343, my dear kids, it is 7 ka cube and x is x ka cube. Can I use the identity? Yes, 7 minus x, and here first term square plus first term into second term plus first into second term plus second term square. So that will be 3 common, 7 minus x, 49 plus 7x plus x square. That's your answer. Clear? Problem number 18. Show that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. If it is divisible by 8, तो मतलब इसमें एक factor आएगा 8. So let's see how we can open this. We can use the identity a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. If we use the identity, it will be 13 minus 5, 13 square, 13 into 5 plus 5 square. Open it, 13 minus 5, 13 square. Now whatever inside it is, 13 minus 5 is what? 8. तो यहाँ पे अगर बाहर ब्रैकेट के 8 आ रहा है, 8 से मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ है नंबर, दैट मीन्स 8 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दिस. That means yes, you can write that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. Clear? तो 8 अगर कॉमन बाहर फैक्टर निकल गया तो you can write that it is divisible by 8. Second is 35 cube plus 27 cube. Now 35 cube plus 27 cube, you can write it 35 plus 27. Whether it is divisible by 62 or not, we have to prove. So we will use the identity for this. How we will open it? First term plus second term, first term square plus first term into second term, sorry, minus here, and plus second term square. Now here if you notice this, when you add this you will get 62, and here inside this entire bracket you can write it as it is. So I got 62 as one of the factor of this expression, and if one factor is 62, that means it is divisible by 62. For example, if I am giving you is 10 divided by 2, so for that if I am getting 2 into 5, so अगर ये 2 आ गया इसमें तो that means 10 is divided by 2. So in whatever number is asked by you, whether it is divisible by 8 or 9, then you should have one factor as that number. Clear? Next is we have, next is we have problem number 19, which says 5.67 into 5.67 into 5.67 plus 4.33 into 4.33 into 4.33 upon, so you have again 5.67 into 5.67 minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 into 4.33. तो आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में से एक बार क्वेश्चन अच्छे से चेक कर लीजिए, एंड देन आप एक नंबर को 5.67 and 4.33, there are two numbers in the entire equation, so we can write let 5.67 बी ए एंड 4.33 बी बी। तो जहाँ पे भी आपका 5.67 है वहाँ पे ए डाल दीजिए। तो यू विल नोटिस दैट यू आर गेटिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस। जहाँ पे भी you have 5.67, you have to do like this. So you will notice here you are getting a cube plus b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square. Now if you know a cube plus b cube की identity is a plus b inside a square minus ab plus b square, and denominator में ये तो है ही, इसको लिखना है ऐसे ही, और ये आपका कैंसिल हो गया एंड योर आंसर इज a प्लस बी। ए क्या था आपका 5.67 प्लस बी क्या था 4.33। व्हेन यू ऐड दिस यू विल गेट 10। ठीक है, सो यू हैव इवैल्यूएटेड बाय यूजिंग द आइडेंटिटी। ओके, तो वही नंबर्स, इतनी बड़ी कैलकुलेशंस आपने किया है बाय यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी। क्लियर? ओके ओके, आई विल टेक योर एक्सरसाइज 5E. We have problem number 1, x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1 minus 7x minus 7 upon 2x. Now if you find it this way, you can see that if I take these three together, so that will be x plus 1 upon 2x the whole square. Yes? No, I don't think so. But let me check. If I open this, x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 2x, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Yes. So you got this. इसके बदले में ये पूरे इक्वेशन के बदले में आप ये लिख सकते हो. ओके, and here you can take 7 common, so x plus 1 upon 2x inside. So you got here x plus 1 upon 2x, which you can keep it common. Inside you can take this, इसके पास square है तो एक और extra x plus 1 upon 2x है minus 7. Okay, so this is your final answer. Next, problem number 2, which says 9a square plus 1 upon 9a square minus 2 minus 12a plus 4 upon 3a. Now my dear kids, if you notice this is आप 3a, इसका अगर आप लोगे तो 3a और ये माइनस साइन है इसलिए 1 upon 3a द होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो यू विल नोटिस दैट अगर आप ओपन कर रहे हो तो यू विल गेट दिस पार्ट, उसकी आइडेंटिटी ये है. And then you have this, so I'll take this down. We have, can I take in 4 common? अगर मैं 4 common निकाल रहा हूँ तो 3a minus 1 upon 3a. Now you will notice 3a minus 1 upon 3a is common, and here it has 2 3a minus 1 upon 3a. उसमें से एक common निकाला तो inside 1 will be there, and this inside 1 3a minus 1 upon 3a will be there, and this minus 4 I have taken. This is your final answer. Problem number 3, which says x square plus a square plus 1 upon a x plus 1. My dear kids, if you want to take this as let's see what we can do is this x. Okay, if I keep this x square plus, okay, a common निकालना है, what it is, let me check. Okay, so we have here this a, विच इज़ ए स्क्वायर के नीचे भी है 1 के नीचे भी है. अगर मैं उसको ए स्क्वायर के नीचे डाल रही हूँ और 1 के नीचे भी डाल रही हूँ, सो दैट मीन्स ये एक कट हो गया. सो आई हैव एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस 1 अपॉन ए ब्रैकेट एक्स प्लस 1. दैट विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए एक्स. दिस एक्स विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस एज वेल एज दिस and plus 1. Now if you want, you can take this, you can take common from this, so it will be x common. Can I take it x common here? Can we do like that? X common, so inside will be x plus a, but here it will be what I can do is I can take regrouping करना पड़ेगा. How we will do it? 1 upon a, इसमें से x common. Can I take these both and this both? Let's give a try. So if I take x square plus 1 upon ax and ax plus 1, so it will be x common, x plus 1 upon a. Here we have nothing common. How I am not getting a bracket, same bracket? I have mistaken somewhere. I guess so. I have multiplied this, I have made this. Okay, first term, second term plus 1. So that is x plus a. Dear kids, I'll check this answer and get back to you. We'll jump on to problem number 4. x4 plus y4 is minus 27x square y square. My dear kids, for this, if you notice, can we split this? Now this part I can write x square ka square plus y square ka square, and this 27x square y square I can split as 2x square y square minus 25x square y square. Why did I split this? Because I need my identity. Now for this, if you can see this part, now this can become x square minus y square the whole square, because once you open this you will get x4 plus y4 plus 2 minus, okay, I cannot cut, minus 2x square y square. That's what I am looking for here. And so the identity for this entire 3 terms is this. Okay, so we have x square minus y square the whole square, and here 25, can I write it 5xy the whole square? So I'll get this as a and this as b, and we know that we have squares and subtraction sign in between, so I can use the identity a square minus b square. That will be a plus b, a minus b. Yes, so I can write first term plus second term, and in another bracket first term minus second term. Got my point clear? Okay. Clear? So that's your perfect answer. Next is problem number 6, and it says x square plus 1 upon x square minus 3. As I said you, as per your requirement, you can split your numbers. If I split like this, so this part can be the identity of x minus 1 upon x the whole square, and this 1 will be the 1 square. Yes, so we can write x minus 1 upon x the whole square minus 1 square. And again, this is your first term, this is your second term, तो एक बार प्लस में और एक बार माइनस में. Clear? Next we have problem number 7. A minus b minus 4a square plus 4b square. A minus b minus 4 you can take in common, so it will be a square minus b square. A minus b, keep it as it is. A square minus b square you can split to a plus b, a minus b. This is your one term, this is your other term. You can take this as common, a minus b. So inside from here you have taken common, so it will be 1 here and 4, and this remaining a plus b. And that's your final answer. Next problem number 8, 2a minus 3 the whole square minus 2, 2a minus 3, a minus 1 plus a minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now see, this is your first term 2a minus 3, a minus 1 is your second term and बीच में 2 into first term into second term. तो आपकी ये आइडेंटिटी बन रही है 2a minus 3 minus a minus 1 the whole square की. This is your first term, this is your second term. उसी तरीके से ये a है, ये b है और ये 2 into ab है. तो आपकी एक आइडेंटिटी हो रही है ये डायरेक्टली. So now you can open inside if you want. Once you open, the inside sign will change. 2a minus 1a will be 1a and minus 3 plus 1 will be 2. So that will be your answer. So the only thing is you have to concentrate, focus on to what problem is given to you and accordingly you have to work on. Next is problem number 9. माई डियर किड्स, इफ़ यू नोटिस ए स्क्वायर माइनस 3a यहाँ पे भी है, यहाँ पे भी है, लेकिन बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम लोग कॉमन नहीं निकालते, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम लोग कॉमन निकालते हैं, टर्म्स बनाते हैं. नाउ लेट व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ लेट a स्क्वायर माइनस 3a बी x. तो इसकी जगह पे मैं x लिखूँगी और यहाँ पे भी x प्लस 7 प्लस 10. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस, तो इट विल बी x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 10. Now you have to get your factors of 10 in such a way that you get by addition 7. So you can go for 5 and 2. जब आप ऐड करोगे तो आपको 7 मिलेगा and जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको 10 मिलेगा. You can make the groups and take common so that the inside brackets are same. Once you got inside brackets same, your final answer will be something like this. But is this the final answer? No, because x is what? X is a square minus 3a. So I have to resubstitute the value. Wherever I have x, I have to get the value back. Now if you know this is also quadratic equation, this is also quadratic equation. Again you can solve this. अगर आप चाहें तो 5 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिनके एडिशन से 3 आए, 5 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिनके एडिशन से 3 आए, तो दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई विल कीप इट एज इट इज़ और मैं सेकंड जंप करूँगी सेकंड ब्रैकेट की तरफ और देखूँगी कुछ बन सकता है क्या. 2 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स जिनके एडिशन से 3 आए, सो 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. सो आई कैन यूज़ minus 2a minus 1a plus 2. From here I can take a common, a minus 2 minus 1 common, a minus 2. I got 2 brackets, a minus 2 and a minus 1. I will take this bracket down as it is. And my final answer will be something like this. Clear? And problem number 10th. 10th, I'll give you as a homework a square minus a, second bracket. No, I'll be doing it. I'll give you hint and then you can try it out. 4a square minus 4a minus 5 minus 6. From here what you can do is you can keep a square minus a as x. So here you can put it x, but 4a square minus 4a minus 5. What you can do about this? You can take common. Wait. You can take 4 common here and a square minus a minus 5 minus 6. So here you have put a square minus a as x for your first bracket and here now again you have to put x. So it will be 4x minus 5 minus 6. Now you have to make a quadratic equation. Once you got this, you know very well you have to multiply your first and last term. And you have to get the factors in such a way that by subtraction you get 5. 24 के ऐसे factors that by subtraction you get 5. So we'll go for 8 and 3. Yes. So you have to solve this equation. And you can put 8x, 3x minus 6. Make 2 brackets, 4x common, x minus 2. 3 common, x minus 2. So your answer is x minus 2 and 4x plus 3. Yet the answer is not done because x you have a square minus a. So you have to resubstitute your value of x as a square minus a minus 2 and 4 bracket a square minus a plus 3. You have to open. This will be same. This you can open. And now you have to see whether you can solve these two brackets by splitting the middle term. Your first is 2. You have to find 2. By subtraction you should get 1a. So you can go for 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So a square minus 2a minus 1a minus 2. A common, a minus 2, 1 common, a minus 2. So I got two brackets, a minus 2, a minus 1. Here also you have to solve this quadratic equation and form two brackets if it is possible. Let's see if it is possible or not. 4 3s are 12. 12 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स जो एडिशन से 4 आए, ऐसा कोई भी 12 के फैक्टर्स नहीं है जो एडिशन से 4 आए. सो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस ब्रैकेट एज इट इज डाउन. सो योर आंसर विल बी a minus 2, a minus 1, 4a square minus 4a plus 3. These three brackets. Clear? Okay, I'll stop it here. If you have any doubt, you can message me. God bless.